With Malaysia's tropical climate and growing focus on sustainability, starting a solar panel installation business is not only a profitable venture, but also one that contributes to the environment. The first step is understanding the market demand for solar energy in Malaysia. With rising energy costs and a push for renewable energy, more homeowners and businesses are investing in solar panels. Register your business as a legal entity. In Malaysia, a private limited company is a common and trusted structure. Make sure to acquire the necessary licenses and permits to operate as a solar panel installer. Partnering with trusted suppliers is crucial for success. Source high-quality solar panels and components, and maintain good relationships with manufacturers. This will ensure that you provide the best solutions to your clients. Marketing your business is key to growth. Use both traditional and digital marketing strategies to reach residential and commercial clients looking to reduce their energy costs and carbon footprint. Starting a solar panel installation business in Malaysia is a rewarding and sustainable venture. With the right knowledge, tools, and dedication, you can help the country transition to cleaner energy while building a successful business. Ready to harness the power of the sun? Contact us today, and let's bring renewable energy to Malaysia's future.